students, I welcome you all for the case study discussion on wireless power transfer to electric vehicles. So as the world is moving towards clean and sustainable transportation, electric vehicles are increasingly demanding. And one of the problem with the electric vehicle is its convenient charging. So the traditional charging system requires cables, and in order to overcome this difficulty, one of the research method is wireless power transfer. So in wireless power transfer, the power is transported electromagnetically from pads to the battery of the vehicle. So in this case study discussion, we are going to discuss how to design a wireless power transfer system for charging electric vehicles. Let us discuss.
So yeah, getting into the problem statement, we see that the traditional charging wires have a lot of difficulties. So according to that, only the cable charges can be connected onto a particular distance. So when we move on from that distance, it cannot be connected. It's always disconnected. So it's one of the major problems that we face in today's world. And also due to prolonged use of the cable wires, we also get the risk of electric shock, and it will get damaged easily. So it's also one of the damage that is caused by the cables. So yeah, if to overcome this, we need to be more rely on the wireless networks. So in future, the cars and other technologies require automatic charging. So in automatic charging, we always rely on charging cables, because it's not really sustainable and it cannot work all the time. So we need to be more evident with the technology that makes it more sufficient and also gives us a prolonged use.
Next is.
Okay, now we can see the working principle. So working principle, when the electromagnetic induction is the most important principle used in wireless charging. So in here, the ground is the transmitter coil and the vehicle is the receiver coil. The magnetic field is given to the transmitter coil, and the energy is received from the transmitter coil to the receiver coil, which changes into the current so that the charge is produced and the battery gets charged. So this is the working principle. The main components used here are the power supply. The power is given, then the transmitter coil which receives the magnetic field, then the receiver coil which receives energy from the magnetic field, then it is the rectifier which converts the charge into the usable form, and then the battery gets full charge.
So moving to the types of wireless charging, there are two types of wireless charging. They are static and dynamic. The static charging are the vehicle is stationary while it's charging, and about the dynamic part, it is the vehicle is charged while moving. And the most advantages are they are more suitable for all weather conditions. There are no need of cables, and the efficiency will be increased because of the magnetic field around the coils. And also known to the disadvantages, we have more required concentration to the alignment of coils, and more than it should have proper installation costs. So these are the limitations we have occurred. So this technology is still in developing process.
Okay, so coming to the real life examples, in today's world there are many modern cities where we use the charging pads in the parking slot. So when an EV vehicle is parked over the charging slot, it gets charged automatically. So the user doesn't need many efforts, or it also saves time. It is very comfortable. Also in the future, there is a very vast growth. There will be a vast growth in the wireless charging technology. So there may develop roads with building charging, right? So the vehicles may get charged while moving. So there are many scopes while it comes to the wireless charging technology.
Very good. Thank you, dear students. You have started with the working principle and the need of wireless power transfer, and it is emerging technology. Wireless power transfer, most of the researches are going on because it eliminates the power cable and it is very convenient to use also. So in this we have discussed how to design a wireless power transfer system for electric vehicles. Thank you so much for your contribution.
Thank you.